Do you want to know how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the two-step verification on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open upwork.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and make sure that you are logged into your account. The next step is to click on your profile, which is on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on account settings and scroll a bit down and you can see password and security. Click on password and security and you can see two-step verification options. Some of the options are to enable it through Authenticator app, mobile app or text message. Let's go ahead and choose the easiest one. Let's click on this button and click Start Setup. You can see that you can enter your phone number over here and it will send you a verification code via SMS to set up text messages. Go ahead and write down your phone number, click Next or Send, which is over here, and you can see that you will receive a verification code on your phone. After you receive a verification code on your phone, go ahead and write down the code which is on your phone over here. So paste the code over here. After you write down the code, click Verify and then congratulations. You've now set up two-step verification. Click Done and now you will have to enter a code every time you log into your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.